name is Dr. Copple. This is Dr. Shea. We're going to give you just a little demonstration of how we adjust here at Copple Chiropractic. We do have several different ways. We're just going to kind of show you one for what his particular issues are. Thank you for watching. So if you could please jump on here. Alright. We've got to get this thing adjusted for you. Alright, just slide up a little bit when we get down there. So this is a high-low. We use this because it allows us to see the pelvis in the same anatomical position as if it would be if you were standing up. First thing we're going to do is check the foot or leg length. I can see here that Dr. Shea is about a ½ inch short on the right. I bring his legs up to see if there's any change. It stays about a ½ inch short as well on the right. So we're checking his how his pelvis is positioned. Now I put a little pressure into the back of his legs here. I can feel there's a little bit more pressure on this left side. That kind of tells me that the sacrum may be flipped up on the left side. When I come to the pelvis here, I'm on what we call the PSIS, and I'm trying to recheck to reinforce what I think is going on. Which I think is correct. I push here, there's more resistance on the left side. Let's see, right side, less resistance. So I'm thinking this side is PIEX. That is chiropractic lingo for posterior, inferior, and external. Okay, Dr. Shea, lock your knee here and raise this up for me. All right, try the other side. We're checking the sacrum. That looks pretty good. How'd that feel to you?
Pretty even.
All right. So we were checking the sacrum to see if one leg goes more than 6 inches higher than the other. That's the direction in which we think the sacrum is pointing. Okay, so now I re-rock, and what I'm looking at is to see where the cross link stops, and I can see it stops right around here, but I can see that Dr. Shea's muscles are so tight. What I'm going to use is called mechanical massage. This helps release the paraspinal muscles and the back musculature, so when I do apply an adjustment, it can be very gentle. Sometimes it might take a little bit more mechanical massage to really get you loosened up. Well, we're going to see if that was enough for Dr. Shea here. I can see where it stopped crossing. We're going to apply a gentle force. And I can feel where the chain of movement stops for that last adjustment. So I'm going to follow that chain up and apply force. Now we're going to do some slight stretching here of the neck. Also is a check to see if it needs to be adjusted or not. Dr. Shea needs to be adjusted at the one particular spot. We go both ways to check. There we go, that's 3. And okay, good. Now we're going to rock once again. We're going to check Dr. Shea's neck here. It seems like there's a little bit of blockage going from left to right. So we're going to do a light drop on the cervical musculature. Now I'm going to come back and check Dr. Shea's leg length again, which now he's pretty even. Dr. Shea, can you look to the right for me? And now back to center. And now back to the left. And back to center. And what I was looking for there to see if the leg lengths changed with both directions Dr. Shea looked. If they change, we're considering there could be what's called an AS occiput, which is becoming very prevalent in today's society with all of our computer use and texting. Is tender in there at all, Dr. Shea? A little bit. I want to ask you, could you please tuck your chin towards your chest for me? All right. Let me do one more time. And that was a sample of an adjustment at Copple Chiropractic. Thank you.